You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these people, language and region. We'll be looking at how to say boa, confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say it? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. Locally, it is said as Igbo, 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 with a b sound. Now in English, it is generally said and accepted that it is pronounced as Igbo, Igbo. But again, locally, it sounds more like a B. Igbo, Igbo, Igbo is how it is said locally or close enough. Igbo. Or in English, Igbo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.